Hi Lancers, so today is your second to last day to work on your Ancient Americas project. They are due before spring break, so you have today and Thursday to finish them up. So I just want to make sure that you know everything you need to do in order to get done on time. So first of all, when you finish your notes, which is the first thing you should do if you haven't done that already, I'm obviously not there to check your notes and give them a grade. So we will have to do that probably after spring break, or I might grab your notebooks before spring break and take a look at your notes. So your first job is to finish your notes, but you won't get them graded just yet. When you finish those, it's time to make your project. And in order to make your project, remember, you're going to want to go here to the document with the Ancient America Project's directions. And what I would suggest you do is it says when you finish your research, watch these screencasts. Watch this video right here, and it'll talk about everything that's required to be in your project. So basically, your project should teach me about your topic using information and pictures. As long as it does that, whatever format you use is okay. And when you teach me about the topic, it doesn't have to be in it doesn't have to be in paragraph form. It should be in complete sentences, however. But you don't need topic sentences, conclusions, all that. It can be kind of an informational poster or an informational slideshow about your topic or an informational thing link. So watch this video and then choose the kind of project you're going to create. Here are some options down here for you. If you're going to do thing link, watch this video for directions on how to use it. And then before you start your project, I want you to watch this video reviewing your research notes, because it'll talk to you about how to organize all the information you have into an effective project. So, first task is to finish taking your notes. Remember, 3 different sources. And then you're going to come here, watch this video on the project, and then watch this video on reviewing your research notes, and then you can work on your project. So, you can do a paper project, or you can do a project that is done online. Just think about what you have time for is what I would think about, and whether or not you'll need to take this home to work on it over spring break. Okay, so when you finish your project, you are going to go to Google Classroom, and there's a new assignment called Ancient Americas Project. It's under classwork here too. Ancient Americas Project. It says turn in your Ancient America research project here. If you did your project digitally, you're just going to attach your project to this assignment and hit the turn in button. If you did a thing link, you'll have to attach the link to your thing link. And you can probably figure out how to do that. It's just a share button, and you copy the link and you'll attach it to this assignment. I believe you can attach a link. If not, you can put your link in a Google Doc and attach the Google Doc to this assignment. If you did your project on paper, you're going to turn it in to the guest teacher, and then you can come to this assignment and hit the turn in button. And that's it for today. Really keep in mind that you have 2 more days to work on this. So use your class time wisely. Otherwise, you're working on this over spring break, or you're having to make it up when we get back. So number 1, finish your research if you haven't. Then 2, go watch these videos that you watch when you finish your research. And then 3, work on your project. All right, good luck, and let's get these done.